Oh, okay. Hello viewers. I already discussed some command lsct trust mktrigger and discuss how to install a package Termux. Right now, I want to install nmap. What is nmap actually? Nmap is a networking mapper. You know, it's working any network discover and vulnerability management. So at first we are say uh, nmap is a network scanner created by Gordon Leon. Right now, how we are use why are you use nmap? Nmap used to discover host service on computer network by sending a packet and analyzing the response. Nmap provide a number of features for probing computer network, including host discovery and service and operating system detection actually. So that's why nmap actually using the various type. uh, so common nmap function: ping scanning, host scanning, os scanning, scan top ports, output file, disable DNS resolution. So that's why it's a very helpful tool. So right now, install nmap like that. Type the Termux terminal pkj pkg install nmap y parameter y means always yes. Okay, hit enter. Just wait for updating. Already update. So right now I want to clear terminal. So nmap, write nmap. The programming not install is pkg and install nmap. What? Okay, pkg install nmap. Yes. So right now I want to clear. Okay, nmap not to live it reusable. Okay, man man nmap installed by the x including say pkz man. What the problem? nmap .com. Cannot link execute to nmap library, so not found executive. Okay, I just want to troubleshoot nmap is pkg install nmap. Okay, already install it, but not working. I want to troubleshoot. No problem. Termux. Okay. Nmap parameter p google dot com nmap com. Sorry, the apps cannot working actually. I cannot troubleshoot. I don't know about this, but nmap already installed it, and new version 7.94. Okay, remove and bound or not upgraded. Okay, pkg update. Just do it. This is under maintained town. Okay, under maintained town of list. A repo does not work actually. Okay, actually that are terminal not updated. So the repository not updated. Okay, that's why it's working problem. At first troubleshoot their repository, then why this Termux is updated. Thank you watching this video.